Hi guys, what's new? Welcome to my channel. Today, actually, I would like to do this video about CHOCO MUSK from REHAB. I ordered some of the, REHAB type of perfume. One of them is basically silver. The other one is, that's from Al Hermain, but that one, Ryan Black as well. We will try them on in the future, but today I will be unboxing, guys, CHOCO MUSK. CHOCO MUSK. So many people are talking about CHOCO MUSK, and I found a very hard time to find a good supplier, that would offer good delivery price and everything. And I found it, and I think after this probably I don't want to buy, anything from Al because I already have few, So one of them that I have is this Sultan. Sultan. You can find Sultan review on my channel. I did it. It's actually quite nice. I think the other one that I will like, because so many people are talking about, is silver. Supposed to be dupe for it's either like Virgin Island or Virgin Water by Crete or something like that. But this one, guys, is CHOCO MUSK. CHOCO MUSK. The flower is, to me, it resembles vanilla type of flower, but for some kind of reason is brown, which suggests that there's supposed to be like a chocolate type of smell. Many people say that is the best chocolate smell from Al Rehab, that you can get. What's interesting is that they don't put sellotape around. The price of this one was about €9 on Amazon. I bought on Amazon, and supposed to be one of the excuse me, quality perfume. So Al Rehab. Are you familiar, guys? This is a Middle Eastern brand. I wonder, is this from? To me, it's written. It's from. I wonder, where do they make it? Is this like, maybe it's not even Middle Eastern brand? I always thought it's Middle. It's written in France. Like, no, I think it's Middle Eastern because there are some Middle Eastern type of words. So anyway, let's open this perfume, guys. Crown perfumes. Sometimes they call it as a crown perfumes. Let me. I don't smell anything. Crown perfume. Look at the bottle. Normally they put like 30 mils, but this one is 100. So maybe for that reason it means a lot. I don't expect much from this perfume, to be honest. Like, I kind of feel that it might be cozy, but I don't feel like it's gonna be perfume that I will want to wear it like for very often. But you never know until you try. Until you try. So let's try it on right now, guys. Let's just simply look at this type of shape of the bottle, guys. CHOCO MUSK. CHOCO MUSK. Not really into musky perfumes, but choco. So I can already feel chocolate. Like that type of chocolate, that you very often eat, that the one that, you eat. So must be something delicious. Maybe, oh my God. So, okay, synthetic type of vibe, that it gives me type of synthetic vibe, CHOCO MUSK. Not, I think to me it seems like those type of cooking, cooking, guys, cooking smells. Wouldn't be very into spraying on myself actually that much. It smells actually a little bit cheap, but it really kind of, as it says, like CHOCO MUSK, so really the type of chocolate. If you eat, let's say, milk chocolate, and if you mix it with vanilla, that's how it smells. Actually, now after smelling it, it doesn't surprise me that much. Although it's not bad, but perhaps later on I will like it, maybe in the cold weather or something like that. Synthetic type of chocolate, chocolate, or like, let's say, those vanilla type of, things that you put in the cake, those type of liquid vanilla that you add. It's not bad, but now after smelling it, I wouldn't buy it, So that's the thing. I think it smells too cheap, too synthetic. might be very good perhaps for younger girls, for younger people, but you wouldn't impress much anyone else because it smells very cheap chocolate smell, So perhaps I will be layering this perfume with other ones. I will be layering, guys. So that would be my impressions. Very honest impression. I wouldn't buy it. I wouldn't buy it and I wouldn't repurchase it because simply it's lacking something. But for the price, it's good, But like, I would say kind of probably no, you know. Like maybe invest in a better perfume, that type of situation. Simply, yeah, I would say invest in a better perfume, guys. I will leave you at that. I hope you're gonna have a beautiful, beautiful day, and I will come back to you soon, guys. Like this video as usual, and bye bye.